Welcome back. It is 20 till 7 on your Friday morning. Big court case this week that could have an even bigger ripple effect down the road. A jury found Meta and YouTube negligent in a trial that focused on social media addiction. So this morning we're taking a look at what this could mean for the future of that technology. Attorney Frank Cassese is in for Dave this week for Legally Speaking. Good to see you. It's been a little while.
I know, right? It's great to be back.
Back on the bike again.
That's it, man.
All right, so we hear the term landmark ruling tossed around, I feel like, way too often. But Is this one of those rare cases that it might actually apply, that this could have some really big ramifications?
Yes, it could. This is a landmark ruling. So they took big tech, so to speak, for $6 million, which is a relatively small verdict. $3 million in compensatory damages, $3 million in punitive damages. They're not worried about that. That's easy for them to pay.
Yeah.
What they're worried about is what is to come. Mm-hmm. So these plaintiffs' lawyers in this case were really creative. They attacked them through the design of the platform, and the jury agreed with them.
So why is this such a big deal then moving forward? Why is this going to have such a big effect?
I think there's approximately 2,000, maybe more pending cases. And now with this verdict, it has shown there's a pathway to more verdicts. And the other verdicts can be way bigger. They can be smaller, but the sheer numbers of the volume of cases that are going to come through can be extremely problematic. I mean, I don't know how these platforms move forward. You're going to have to do something. Obviously, there's something in the design of the platforms that juries found to be addictive and troubling to young kids, obviously.
So, I mean, could this eventually be a good thing then? Could we, this court case, have identified something that these companies need to change, and could we see a difference in the way social media is constructed, I guess, in the future?
I think it could be a good thing. You know, you hear more and more about screen time with kids and social media and how harmful it is for them. And I believe that a verdict like this sets a tone. So, you know, lawyers get a bad rap a lot. You know, you sue for everything. You can sue for anything. But something like this, I think, is a good verdict. I do. I think that it's going to set a precedent, and they're going to change. And it's probably warranted.
Could it change the level of protections for big tech companies, too?
Yes, it could. It could. And, you know, I think there is something about a verdict like this where big tech can say, well, this is bad for everybody because now the safeguards that we do put in place, somebody's going to do it somewhere else without those safeguards, and these kids are still going to get to it.
Interesting. So what do you think? Where do we go from here then? Like what in the immediate future and maybe, I guess, further down the road, what are the true ramifications from this?
So I think the immediate future is there's going to be an appeal. It's going to take time. But I think that there will be protections that are, I'm sure big tech right now is looking at this and saying, how do we protect ourselves from here on out? Mm-hmm. Because what's done is done, and there's probably going to be all the lawsuits that are pending and a whole bunch more are coming, right? Yeah. So the immediate ripple effect to this, I don't think they can stop. Mm-hmm. But now they've got to look at how do we stop 10, 20 years in the future, 5 to 10 years in the future.
So what do you, if you're, like, let's say you were representing somebody who had a pending lawsuit against one of these, or what, as a lawyer, I mean, you have to be looking at it going, okay, well, this is great for me, right?
Right, sure. I'd be studying this case. I would want trial transcripts to see how these plaintiff lawyers attacked Meta and YouTube. That would be the study that I would be doing if I was a plaintiff on this case, because for a long time the law protected these companies, mm-hmm. and that legal shield has been shattered.
Well, and then we'll see what happens next. And this very much could be just the beginning. Frank, great to see you.
Always.
Thanks so much. Appreciate you.